back. This is Eagle News America. I'm Ken Cruz in Fort Washington. No shirt, no shoes, no mask, no service. In Virginia, Governor Ralph Northam urges businesses to take action. EJ Gonzalez in Alexandria reports.
Thanks, Ken. Virginia Governor Ralph Northam today was happy to announce Virginia has, for the most part, been able to keep the numbers of new cases low and hasn't seen the spikes many other states are seeing. Virginia continues to conduct over 10,000 COVID tests a day and have seen a 6.8% positivity rate for the state. According to the Virginia Department of Health, the percentage of positivity cases in the Northern Virginia area, which holds about 2/3 of the state's population, has gone dramatically down, reaching 6.7%. However, in the Hampton Roads or eastern region of the state is where they are seeing the alarming numbers. Virginia Beach and the Hampton Roads area is a tourist hub for the state. The percent positivity rate in that region is at 10.1% and has been rising for a number of days. The governor mentioned many of those cases are driven by group socialization without the use of face masks. For the age group of 20 to 29, there's been a 250% increase in positive cases since June, just last month. With the increase in numbers for the Hampton Roads area, the governor is calling the attention of restaurant and business owners to strictly enforce the social distancing and face covering guidelines. Take a look.
If you own a restaurant or a business and you're not following the regulations, your license will be on the line, and we will not hesitate to take action if needed. I'm also calling on businesses to step up their own enforcement. If a patron of your establishment is violating the rules, you have the ability to say no. It's just like the signs in so many store windows that say no shirt, no shoes, no service. Now it should be no shirt, no shoes, no mask, no service.
Governor Northam also highlighted the unemployment numbers for Virginia. Since March 15th, 938,559 Virginians have applied for unemployment benefits, and 91% of eligible claims are paid within 14 days. The Virginia Employment Commission has increased its staff by 550% and getting more than 60,000 calls per week. Many are going back to work, but there are thousands who do not have a job to go back to. The Virginia Employment Commission and Virginia Career Works will be holding a virtual hiring event on July 28th. There will be over 150 employers with jobs posted and available for this event. Registration and participation is simple and free and can be found on the VEC's website. Governor Northam also expects that the Department of Labor and Industry and the Safety and Health Codes Board to finalize the new labor standards to protect workers during the pandemic. Virginia is the first state in the nation to create such standards in this crisis. In Alexandria, Virginia, EJ Gonzalez, Eagle News. We live in interesting times. Back to you, Ken.
So EJ, you live in Northern Virginia area, Nova, right? So how do you feel the progress is over there in Nova?
Well, for us, it's great to hear from our governor that the VDH and the percent positivity rate for the Northern Virginia area has gone dramatically down. And I remember we were one of the regions who had a delay when it came to progressing to the next phase because our case count was really up there. But seeing the numbers today and taking into account that we're in phase 3, businesses are open again and running, and our case count continues to remain low compared to the earlier parts of the pandemic, I can honestly say that I'm happy with the numbers. Hopefully Virginians continue to practice those safety guidelines that the government is enforcing because it really seems to be working for the Northern Virginia area.
Sure. And then one of the, highly populated areas as far as places to go to eat and just hang out is Old Town Alexandria, right? So
Yeah.
how's that area doing right now? And what are the people doing there as far as social distancing? Are they practicing it, or are you seeing more so, just people going about as if there is a pandemic?
Yeah, so Old Town is part of the Northern Virginia area, so they're in the bounds of saying that we are dramatically still lowering the numbers here in the Northern Virginia area. While I was out recently, I've seen a lot of people being more social and gathering outside, eating at restaurants. But they are all wearing masks for the most part. But the servers are definitely protecting their faces. And the governor is actually calling the attention of those restaurants to stop serving drinks so late at night, so that people can stop hanging out so late and get back home in order to stop the spread of the virus.
Well, sounds like Nova and Virginia are doing a good job. Thumbs up.
Yep.
Thanks so much, EJ.
Thanks, Ken.
Maryland